Per Inside EVs, several automakers are aiming to produce cheaper electric vehicles. General Motors is developing a new Bolt EV on its Ultium platform. Ford is working on electric successors to the Fiesta. Tesla plans to release several affordable models next year. Analysts predict these budget EVs might not be profitable. Tesla could offset costs with full self-driving subscriptions and its supercharger network. In Georgia, Hyundai is building a $7.6 billion EV factory in Bryan County. The project is creating thousands of jobs. Hyundai's suppliers are also building facilities nearby. One company, Ajin, invested $111 million in an 850,000 square foot plant. China is disputing the European Union's import tariffs on Chinese-made cars at the World Trade Organization. The EU imposed tariffs of up to 38% in June. China claims the tariffs lack a factual and legal basis and harm global cooperation on climate change. You are listening to Yuan News.